Hey, what is up, lawn care community? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for stopping by. This is my Gravely Pro Stance 36. I have like over 800 hours on the machine. So yeah, ton of work put on this thing. So I'm gonna cut some grass. I'm gonna bag it. This is my backyard, so I'm gonna bag my backyard with the Ballard Catch Pro. And by the way, in my analytics, it says like over 97% of people watching are not subscribed. So like YouTube is pushing me to new viewers, but no one's subscribing. So you gotta subscribe.